Hey guys, what's up? We are playing a new game I found called Paper Airplane Training. Apparently I need to get power. Oh Jesus, 611. What if I joined on my main account? Okay, it wants me to throw. What is that? Oh, now it wants me to buy an egg. How do I have 3,000 already? New look for your plane. Okay, Earth Sprite. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Now, auto train. We can farm training. Because we can. That's about it. I'm going to train for a bit. Guys, I just joined on my main. I'm going to walk him over. Oh, I forgot he's in a completely different area. Hold up. Okay, he's here. He's here. See, this is big. Now, if you look down at the bottom, he's going to go throw it. He's about to get second at least. Oh, that's crazy. Guys, 192 on my main. I'm just going to, like, farm on my main while talking or recording the video. I cannot speak. Give me a sec. Okay, we're back. I can spin the wheel, yes. I don't want to upgrade my plane size. You're going to have to wait. 500 cash. 2 gifts ready. Power. And, money. And then money. I'm getting a lot of money. Like, money. Anyways. Upgrade my plane size. Yay. Big plane. Oh, wait. Hold on, I don't know if that was good or not. Well, I hope they send me it again. Oh, okay, he sent it again. They sent it again. Except I don't have anything, so I hope they're okay with just, like, giving me things. Oh, wait, really? Wait, are they really? Yay! This person's the best. Equip best. Yes. They're such nice. They're, like, really such niceness. Anyways, I'm gonna go train. Oh, another one. Oh my god, 21x? No way he's doing this. He did it. Look at the excitement on my face. Oh, wait. Wait, why am I running backwards? What?
Let's get another egg.
Okay. Yo, my main won the race. Okay, 4.5k power. Nice. Oh, I'm just AFK farming on this. Mostly because I feel like it for fun, but also because we ain't stopping till we get to that, there is in the, second map, there's a big 520 mil treadmill. I think it's what it is. 576 mil. Now, you better not spam this number along with this number in the comments, or else I'll be this. And we'll ban you from the comments forever. 27k required for that next one. Okay. Oh. Okay, I can spin twice. Okay, spin again. Oh, I got another spin. Let's go gambling. Please, speed, I need this. Nah! To my main, that'd be garbage because I have billions on my main. I have 152.06 excuse me, 152.06 billion on my main. Don't mess with my main. Even though, as you can see, he's in second. But that doesn't matter. He's gonna get better than that guy who is in first, just in case you're blind. I'm going to throw it. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's go train. Really, this is all this is. I mean, unless you're really pay to win. Oh my god. How many freaking transaction requests? I mean, so unless you're pay to win to buy these things, or like buy a bunch of money, because as you can see, you can do that. So unless you're pay to win, unlike me, then obviously you're cooked. Sure. I guess I'll turn on notifications for this. Because honestly, this is part one of, I'd say 4. 4 parts because, you know, getting up to 576K, no, saying 6-7, is a long way. Like, my main's over farming, and it's been farming for like 5 minutes now, and it still hasn't moved on. So yeah, like, that's crazy. Oh yes, I forgot I got pets. Yes sir. This guy is like the best. I mean this guy. Him. Pet giver. BFF. Oh wait, I should be going to the next treadmill. Auto train. Oh, what? Yay. Dang, that's sad. It's their problem. Nah. That's their problem. They lost out on that. Well, they sent me another one, so I guess I'll take it. It's stupid 4X pet. Heck nah, man.
I won't give you the 4X pet then.
Okay, what's he gonna give me now? Another spin on my main? That's crazy. Yay! Okay, well, I don't need no more pets. I'm full. Well, my inventory's full of pets. Ugh, should I cook the second place, guys? Ugh, if you guys give me the chance and get me to 50 subs, I'll do a Q&A live. Which is the truth, I'm being serious. Oh yeah, my main finally moved on to the 144 million power. So, Okay. And this. I'm gonna go see how far I can get with throwing. Oh, auto train. So that'll take me back to training immediately. Cheeseburger. Hamburger. No, cheeseburger. Guys, tell me in the comments, hamburger or Whopper. But don't send it yet, because I'm probably going to ask you a bunch more questions. Okay, so as we wait for this round to end, at 15 seconds, I'm going to do auto throw. Turn that on, and okay, and then we're going to see how much I improved. Whee! Heck yeah! Well, big dirt to dirt. Main's obviously going at the throw. Yo, my main and my alt throw at the same time. And they landed at the same time, too. Oh, and my main's throwing again. $341 is crazy. 12 minutes video. This is not going well. I'm trying to make it to the 500K before the end of the video. At least get to the 500K. Because I still got a rebirth all the way up to... Oh, yeah. I still got a rebirth all the way up to 100%. So that I can get in there. Because that's 10 rebirths. Should I just start grinding money and spamming rebirths? Tell me in the comments. See, I don't know, because it's gonna cost me a lot of money. I figured out that by the time you get to your 10th rebirth, it's gonna cost you billions of dollars. In-game money. No, bad. In-game money. Not real money. Oh, bad, I'm going to throw. Let me throw. I'm gonna go throw this paper airplane. Let's go. Oh my god, please one revolution. Oh my god. Boy, what the hell? 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 No, I'm taking that. Oh, wait, I lied. I mean, now I'm taking it. Mine. Oh, I got a trade request. I don't need no more pets unless they're good. Unless they're above 15x multiplier. I'm just standing here cooking. Oh, yes, I forgot about this. We've been playing for 16 minutes. TVI. I already have that. Oh, wait. Where is he? He gave it to me. Well, big dirt to dirt. Definitely no one knew that. Guess watch, I'm about to go get my first full revolution. Oh, wait, no, I'm not. I mean revolution as in go, wee. And then go all the way back. And then, wee. So pretty much, you go to the end, you get to the trophy, it sends you back. Sorry, my arrows are garbage. It sends you back to the beginning, but puts a fire emoji that looks like a dinosaur paw with a 1. And then makes you go back. If you can see with my main, if you look down here, you're about to see a... See? Here, somewhere around here. Yes, 403.
He's at my spawn leaderboard.
So, yeah, this is crazy. I'm gonna go like throw, cause I think I need to. Jesus. Okay, I took my second place on the leaderboard right next to me. Who's in first? Me. Also me. It's going to throw. Yeet. Well, I'm gonna go upgrade my plane and then end the video. I'm gonna go use the auto throw mechanism to get over here, but no, I'm not letting you go over there because I'm gonna upgrade my plane size. Got a big plane. This big blue plane. Anyways, that's the end of the video. Like and subscribe if you liked it. I hope you enjoyed. Peace.